from the class 12th maths on the topic of differentiation. There is a question. You have given a function log 10 pi by 4 plus x by 2, and you have to find out f dash pi by 6. Means you have to find out differentiation value of this function at pi by 6. So first you try to solve it by yourself and then watch my solution. Now we differentiate this function with respect to x on both sides. Left side differentiation of fx with respect to x can be written as f dash x equal to differentiation of right side function with respect to x. Here we observe that this is not the simple function which differentiation form exists. First, we have to convert it in such a function which differentiation formula exists. We find here that outer function is log function, and in log function we have differentiation formula for log x, which differentiation is 1 by x. So if we replace this inner tangent function tan pi by 4 plus x by 2 with a simple variable t, then this function will become log t. So it can be differentiated then. See how. So this expression will now become d by dx of log t. But here we find that variable in the function is t. So it can be differentiated only with respect to t. It cannot be differentiated with respect to x. So first we have to modify it. Now this function is multiplied and divided by dt. The dx present here is written in the denominator of dt. So this expression will become d by dt of log t into dt by dx. Differentiation of log t with respect to t is 1 by 2 into d by dx, and in place of t we have put its corresponding equation in x, tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now here again tangent function is not in the form which differentiation exists. So first we have to convert it into such a form that its differentiation can be found out. So the tangent function which differentiation exists is tan x. So we have to convert this tangent function into such form, for which this angle pi by 4 plus x by 2 is replaced by variable z. Then it will become tan z, and it is in the standard form of differentiation. Now here again the problem is same. The function is in variable z, so it cannot be differentiated with respect to x. We have to bring here dz to differentiate it. So what we do, we multiply and divide this function by dz, and dx present here is written in the denominator of dz. Now this function can be differentiated. The differentiation of tan z is sec square z. Now here in place of z we put its corresponding equation in x. So this will become d by dx of pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now this is in the form of differentiation formula. Both terms can be differentiated with respect to x. So here the differentiation will be complete. Now in place of t we replace tan pi by 4 plus x by 2, and in place of z we replace pi by 4 plus x by 2. And here we differentiate these two terms separately. Pi by 4 being constant, its differentiation will be 0. And in the differentiation of x by 2, 1 by 2 being a constant factor can be taken out of the differentiation, and differentiation of x will be 1. So the differentiation of x by 2 will be 1 by 2. Now we solve it further. Here tangent function is written in the form of sine upon cos. So on solving this will become cos pi by 4 plus x by 2 divided by sine pi by 4 plus x by 2. Here sec square function is also written in the form of cosine function. So it will become 1 upon cos square pi by 4 plus x by 2. And here we will have 1 by 2. So clearly here this cosine function will get cancelled from here one of the cosine function, and we will have expression 1 upon 2 sine pi by 4 plus x by 2, and here one cosine function will remain. So this will be cos pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now you can see that angle is same. So it is in the form of 2 sine theta cos theta, which formula is sine 2 theta. So we can write it in the form of sine 2 theta. So it will become 1 upon sine 2 into inside the bracket pi by 4 plus x by 2. If the 2 is multiplied inside the bracket, it will be pi by 2 plus x. So sine pi by 2 plus theta is cos theta. So it will be 1 upon cos x. And 1 upon cos x can be written as sec x. So the differentiation of this function came in the very simple form, and its differentiation is sec x. Now we have to find out the differentiation value at pi by 6. So f dash pi by 6 will be sec pi by 6, and which value will be 2 by root 3. So the value of f dash pi by 6 is 2 by root 3.